Decades ago, I took a Master Gardener course. It was really challenging. The next year, I took the advanced course, certified. Over the years, hundreds of Master Gardeners have given me the impression that the course I took was far richer than most Master Gardener courses. Eventually, I became keen on permaculture. I shared my new enthusiasm with my Master Gardener instructor. That's when she told me that she had interned with the great Masanobu Fukuoka. I already knew she used her market garden for rigorous scientific research on techniques beyond organic, with massive emphasis on insects and merged crops. She is expanding on the work of Fukuoka. All at the same time, she was teaching 17 years of Master Gardener courses, 40 years of several different market gardens, commercial food forests in many different climates, plus managing a 2,000-acre organic farm in Colorado. What if there could be a Master Gardener program, but replace all the stuff about pesticides with stuff about permaculture, Fukuoka, market gardening, commercial food forest care, and all the stuff that I think is really cool? After years of planning, Helen came to teach what I am now calling the Certified Garden Master course. The class sold out.
I think the videos from this inaugural Garden Master course are going to be awesome, and you'll learn a lot from them.
I mean, the community here is great as well. Paul is really funny, he's also very knowledgeable, so there's like a lot of auxiliary learning to be done.
There was this huge bonus that we got of having Ellen Booker, who teaches the permaculture design course here at Wheaton Labs.
You listen to Helen and it's obvious she has been doing hands-on, in the field work and research for 4 decades.
And I'm really glad that we had the forethought to record it.
What I'm trying to combine is practical experience and observational natural history and farming, my on-farm research, with understanding the traditional horticulture, agriculture, plant physiology, the plant pathology, entomology, and soil science, and utilizing the newest ecological and organic agriculture research. So there's more information that I can pull into this Garden Master class.
How do we create a vibrant, self-regenerating ecosystem in which the food is growing, and as a result, the food is super high quality and very nutrient dense?
And so my focus is entirely on organic methods, organic production, and even better for me, because this is my interest, ecological system approaches.